Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Best professional hair dryer you can buy 2021. Professional hair dryer equipped with a hot and cold flow option is a powerful 3000W machine that can be used for optimal care of your hair. It is an item that is very useful for your everyday use and makes your hair smooth and shiny. Made with premium quality materials, which enhance its durability, it also make a perfect gift for your family and friends.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.